Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is slowly becoming more powerful before the launch. Actually, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with its higher clocking Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 should drive the competitors in front of it, but in previous leaks, the approaching Samsung flagship was always constant and clearly behind about a Xiaomi 13. However, the latest Geekbench leak now shows that Samsung is apparently still urgently needed performance optimization shortly before the launch. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Meanwhile, both Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra have been spotted several times in the popular benchmark tool Geekbench in the online database, but so far with rather manageable results. Months before the launch, this is not unusual. After all, the performance optimization only takes place at the end of the development process. Nevertheless, compared to the competition, such as a Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro, quite low values caused discussions in social networks and, in view of the experience with earlier Exynos-equipped Galaxy S flagships, even speculation that the higher-clocked Snapdragon 8 Gen may second not be manufactured by TSMC but by Samsung with feared worse results. Of course, cooling is also significant in this context, and Ice Universe brought it up in the post, where he voiced concern that Samsung may have made cost savings on the cooling system. Galaxy S23 Ultra surpasses the 5,000-point mark for the first time. Shortly before Christmas, however, the latest and redeeming Geekbench leak came. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is progressively catching up to the Chinese competition, which has already reached values of over 5,300 points based on the ordinary Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, thanks to its current multi-core score of 5,173 points for the Samsung model with the number SMS918B. The practical effects of Samsung's slightly higher Cortex-X3 single-core cluster clock frequency are still unknown, as is the veracity of the claims claiming that Samsung is now producing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 model. Finally, what do you think about its latest Geekbench leak? Let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you subscribe to this channel. I will see you in next one.